Alam mo ba na ang salamin mo ngayon pwedeng maging smart? Hi, ako po si Doc Karina from Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Sa dami ng ginagawa natin araw-araw, commuting, working, attending meetings, pick up ng mga kids at digital screens left and right, your eyes take on a lot. Pero good news, your eyewear can now do more than just correct your vision. Welcome to the future. Digital AI glasses frames. These aren't just ordinary glasses. They adapt to light automatically. No need to switch to sunglasses. They reduce digital eye strain, perfect for those on screen all day, and they're built to respond to your environment. Bright sunlight, indoor workspace, shifting focus, your lens adjusts in real time. Ang ganda pa ng design, slick, lightweight, and modern. Hindi mo na kailangan pumili between form and function. Meron ka ng both. Kung laging mabilis ang galaw ng mundo mo, dapat ang salamin mo sumasabay rin. So if you're ready to let go of your old habits like switching glasses, squinting, or fighting eye fatigue, this is your sign. Visit us here at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab and experience digital AI glasses frames made for modern on-the-go lives, because when your vision is smarter, your lives become clearer, calmer, and more in control. Let your eyewear catch up with you and help you move forward with confidence.